Tesla muscle car renderings. Imagine Roadster's big brother. Welcome to Real Channel, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Tesla's big splash came in 2008 with the Roadster. It disappeared from the lineup after 2012, and a new, 4-seat version is coming, eventually. It'd be a welcomed addition, highlighting the benefits of all-electric performance. Though there'd still be room in Tesla's lineup for yet another premium performance machine, a 2-seat muscle car or Grand Tourer that'd go toe-to-toe with the likes of the Dodge Viper and Chevy Corvette. New renderings image what that could look like if Tesla decided to expand its lineup further. The renderings come from Scott A. Barras, and they show his Tesla GT muscle car with all the hallmarks of a Grand Tourer. The GT's low, long hood extends from the upright front end to the sloping windshield, flanked by arching wheel wells that evoke images of the C2 Corvette. There are sharp creases down the side, some extending from bumper to bumper. It's a bit more angular than the current Tesla models, too. The rear is just as clean in its design as the front, both of which use black inserts. The rear is flat and upright like the front, though it is pinched a bit, revealing a diffuser underneath. The overall design is clean, and it feels like something Tesla could put into production tomorrow. There are neat features, too, like the integrated rear-view cameras into the top part of the A-pillars, and Tesla's signature fender badge. It's difficult to guess what Tesla is planning next. The Tesla Model Y, its smaller crossover, is arriving with customers, bolstering its lineup to 4 models. We know there's the new Roadster, the Cybertruck, and the Tesla Semi, all in various stages of development, though we don't know when any of them will enter production. One could say a niche vehicle, like a Grand Tourer, would fit right in with the rest of the lineup. Be sure to check out the rest of the renderings at Scott's website, and read about the design's inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on YouTube and click the bell icon for notification. Please follow Facebook page and Instagram. Thanks for watching it.